Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple invoice in Adobe Express. In order to do that, first of all you have to log in into Adobe Express. After logging in the Adobe Express, you will get to see this kind of interface. Now just simply click on this search bar. Now you have to create a new invoice, so I will search simply invoice. This is one of the easiest way which you can get fast invoices template. Now I will just simply search. Now I got this much result of invoices. Now these are little premium. You have to buy the premium version of Adobe Express. If you are a free in a free version, you can simply use these kind of templates. Now I have access of premium version, but I will choose the free version, free versions template. Just simply click on there. Now from here you have to click on the customize template, so you can customize the uh, invoice. Just simply click on that. It will take little time. So as you can see here, the invoice is opened. As you can see here, I can just simply customize this text and the name of the company and the number and the GST, whatever you are using for taxes. For example, I want to change this name. I will just simply add your name here. If I want to add the product description, unit price and quantity and the total cost, I would go simply to add a new text. Just simply click on the add new text. It will give you the text. Now you have to give the description of the product. I will not give the description. I will just enter the video editing. Just simply little put, resize it, change the color of the text, change the font of this text works, and it's totally bold, so I will just simply resize it. And I have added this description. Just simply duplicate this text with Control D. It duplicated the text. Now you have to add the unit price, which is $500. Now you have to calculate the how much quantity. You have to enter the quantity. Just simply duplicate this text, enter the quantity 3 and the total cost. I would just simply enter the total cost, which is $1,500. Now if you go into if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see this grand total, tax and GST. I would simply just replace this grand total with $1,500. Right now it is in rupees. Just simply delete that rupees icon. Now if you use tax, you can simply cut these price from tax. If you have to give a tax, so you can just simply minus 50% from the grand total. Just enter the amount over here and just grand total over here. So this is how you can customize your invoice in Adobe Express. If this tutorial found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.